Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. So today we'll see we'll make a question of graphs. The question is we have to find a word in a n cross m matrix. The matrix is of characters and allowed movements are we could go diagonally or four adjacent elements like up down left right these things. Okay, so we have to find a link is we have to find if any link is possible, so that the word could be found. So we'll use backtracking as well. So let's start. Okay, yeah, so in the main function let's first make a graph. So we have to make 2 cross 2. Okay, since the matrix is of character, we have to make 2 cross 2 character matrix. Let's call it array is equals to new char star size n. Okay, we found to take inputs. We found to we forgot to take the dimensions. So and across. Now we have to run a for loop for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and this time we will assign array of I is equals to new int m. So first we made a pointer of pointers, and which stored a list of each size n, which stored a list of size n, and in the n size each array stored a new list of size m. So that's how it's working. Let's take inputs for int j is equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus, char ip, scene ip, array of I j is equals to ip. That's how it's working. So we have taken the initial matrix. Let's take the string s scene s. So this string nothing but it's showing what to find. Okay, which word to find. Okay, we have one more thing to do. That thing is we have to make a wasted thing that would help us. Yeah, wasted is equals to new int star of size n, and then we'll do the same thing. We'll loop it. I would have typed it. So look, yeah, we'll explain the question. Okay, I should first explain the question. So suppose we have 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, we have A R M. We have to, let's say we have to make RAM. So M A M A K E P R. Okay, so we can make M A K. If yeah, we can make we can make arm is already there. We can find RAM. So we can find if it was a T, so we can find tape. Like many words could be made. Okay, so we simply now suppose we have been given to find a tape in this. So how we'll do it? We are simply seeing this thing in this question. Okay, so here we has I wasted of I is equals to new int m. Now let's loop it for m and j is equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. Now we have to initialize wasted of I comma wasted of ij is equals to 0. We are supposing we are like initially we haven't wasted any of it, so that's how it goes. We have done the initial parts. Now we have to simply iterate and try to look for the first word. Okay, this would simply help us to to gain some time, to save some time, or we could have done it in the function itself. So what we are doing for I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, again for and j is equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. And what we are trying to do, we are looking for if s of 0 is equals to array of I comma j. Yeah, so if the first word is found, then we'll call the recursive function. How to do it? We could do it like this: cout, if possible, if help b. The function would take some arguments that are array string s, array s, n, m, I, j, and wasted. If it gives true, cout array. We have found it. Else cout. Okay, there should not be any else over here. Yeah. If it we should only break it over here. No, not break. We should return from here. Return 0, and we should print say over here. Sorry, chief. I could not find it. So it's something like this, and we are good to go. We are calling the function. I believe this would work. Let's write the function and see if it's work or not. So the function should return 0 or 1, making it int type, and the function is over here. It should take array, which is char star star array, then string s, then int n, int m, int I, int j, int star star wasted. Okay, now if the size of string is 0, s dot size is equals to 0. That means the word is already found, so return 1. Yeah. Now we have to look for some edge cases. So those edge cases are if we are getting out of the matrix. So if I less than 0, or I greater than equals to n, or j less than 0, or j greater than equals to m. So in these cases simply return 0, because these are not the valid cases. Some more edge cases are, just think of it now. If we are wasting the if we are wasting the already wasted thing, so in that case it should also return 0. So if wasted of I comma z is equals to 1, so return 0. If it's not 1, make it 1. Wasted of I z is equals to 1. Yeah, now we have to do the recursive call, right? So am I missing some edge case? Yeah, if s of 0 is not equals to array of I comma j. Yeah, in this case what's actually happening now, in this case I'll let you know. I don't know where it came from. Yeah, it came from here. So in this case also return 0. Yeah, now we have to find the word in this thing only, and we are making it an integer type, so we'll do int a is equals to, हेल्प फंक्शन को कॉल करेंगे विद आर्गुमेंट्स अरे s डॉट सब str1, फिर nm तो एज इट इज जाएगा, i के साथ पहले i-1 और j भेज देंगे एंड वेस्टेड भी एज इट इज जाएगा, राइट। तो अब इस लाइन को हम कॉपी करेंगे कितनी बार, 6 बार, सॉरी 8 बार, क्योंकि हमें 8 डायरेक्शंस में मूव करना है। कितनी बार हुआ, 5 6 7 8। अपन चेंज करेंगे नाम बी सी डी ई एफ ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एंड एच, राइट। तो अभी देखो, अभी हम क्या करें ना, अभी हम हर डायरेक्शन में, अभी तो लिखा नहीं है इसके लिए, so we'll change it, so it will be I plus 1j, then ij minus 1, then ij minus 1, then ij plus 1, I minus 1, then I plus 1j minus 1, some combination like there, 1j minus 1, I plus 1, j plus 1, I minus 1, j minus 1, I plus 1, j plus 1, yeah. So what these things would do now, these things would go in all the directions from the from the initial position, and will check if the next character is present anywhere around. So if it's present, it will return 1 in this and that's how it will go on again and again and again and again, and it would ultimately go to the last word, and then it will return 1 from here, and then it would keep on removing the things from call stack. And look, so what should we do now, if we have if some part of the word is found in like in in a possible combination, some part of word is found but the entire word could not be found, so in that case many characters would be marked wasted. Okay, so for that, to remove this bug, we should backtrack it. So we have we have made the wasted from 0 to 1, we should again make it 0 from 1. Yeah, now I think there should not be any error. Let's run it. There's a lot of error. Okay, we are not returning anything from here, so we have to return A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, my bad. G, H. Right. So let's try it. We still have some error. I don't know why. Why? New in. Okay, my bad again. So these are error because I practice on int only. Yeah, there's no error, right? So let's take example 3 cross 3 matrix. Let's make a word we had, yeah, let's take this example only. TRM MAK EPE EPE, right? And we have to find tape. Hurrah, we have found it, right? Let's run this again. Let's give the same inputs. TRM MAK EPE. Let's find make is also possible. Cake. Let's try to find cake. Sorry chief, I could not find it. And you see, we have done it. We have like our code is working successfully, right? Let's try to find something. Makeup. Let's try to find makeup, like for which half of the word is there. Yeah, so 3 cross 3 TRM MAK EPE. Okay, we have to find makeup. Sorry chief, I could not find it. So like, look, make was present, still it cannot find it. So that's how that shows it's working. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please do comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.